Fascinated by latest Tesla's futuristic robotaxi car, powertrain domain focuses on generating and delivering power to move the vehicle. Basically, body control domain focuses on the non-functional driving functions of a car, luxury interior and exterior lighting, head and the back lights. In the last, we have the active and the passive safety domain in the vehicles, which protect us from the accidents, or if the accident occurs, then minimum level of powertrain domain focuses on generating and delivering power to move the vehicle. Based on the method of power generation, vehicles are categorized into different technologies: internal combustion based, engine based vehicles, electric vehicles, and the fuel cell technological based vehicles. In internal combustion engines, ICE vehicles are powered by the engine, which generates the electrical energy by burning the fuels like petrol or diesel. Electric vehicles utilize the battery pack that store electrical energy, and these batteries can be recharged repetitively and power the vehicles through an electric motor. Next comes the fuel cell technologies. It is a clean energy innovation in which electricity is generated by conversion of hydrogen gas into electrical power through electrochemical process. All the electrical electronic systems which are used for these three categories will be falling under the powertrain domain of the vehicle. And whenever we say terminologies like horsepower, CC values of an engine, recharge and discharging time of an EV vehicle, all these parameters are dependent upon the powertrain domain of the vehicle. The powertrain domain is considered as the heart of the vehicle. It determines the speed, efficiency, and the overall performance of a vehicle. All vehicles, whether powered by ICE, EV, fuel cell, or of a hybrid of these categories, the technologies based on this powertrain domain will manage the power generation and distribution throughout the vehicle. Powertrain domain integrates the number of electrical electronic systems which differ based on these three categories we stated. Let's start one by one. For example, in EVs, electric vehicles, key systems include battery packs, battery management systems, onboard chargers, the charging infrastructure, and etc. All these systems will be coming under the electric vehicle electrical electronic systems of powertrain domain. I see the internal combustion engines. It is majorly electromechanical systems, and there are some specific electrical electronic systems. For example, alternator, starter motor systems, fuel measurement systems, fuel injector systems, and etc. In the fuel cell technologies based vehicles, most systems are based on electrochemical process for the powertrain domain. But there are some specific electrical electronic systems, for example, battery packs, energy and thermal management systems,